To create a new purchase order, I need to ensure that I am in the blanket purchase agreement, that the process status is open. I have pre-entered the information here, but if you enter the information, you can type the information or you can open the forms, and then with those forms, you will be able to choose the different list of values that you have on the BPA. Then if you see here, for example, even I could look for a new supplier, depending on the search criteria that I put there, and then Oracle will provide me with those lists of values. After I enter the data, like as I said before, I could type the data or anything like that. I could use default values there on the row number 10. I could come to the different sections of the BPA, and including the line information and the price breaks, I will also have enabled those forms that I mentioned from the beginning on the header piece. You will have that available also for the price breaks, etc. Now, if you don't like a column, or you need to hide a column, or you need to move a column using Excel functionality, you can do that. And then you will have the separation, for example, in terms of the lines and the headers and the lines with the price breaks. If you have more than one price break, then that will create a separation between the two lines. After I'm ready to upload the information, I will just press upload. Upload, in this case, I will use a select one, or you can use the upload all if you have a full spreadsheet of BPAs to upload. With this, you will create a new BPA, will be in status pending. That status pending means that it's on the interface table. Then now we need to submit that concurrent program with the concurrent menu. That will open the menu for the concurrent. You will have some parameters to complete there. I have mine pre-populated with the data that I want, and then we'll say submit, and that will submit the concurrent program in Oracle, and then I can monitor also the concurrent from here. You don't have to, but I prefer to do it. And after, if you press refresh, you will see that that PO number will come as feedback if you have automatic numbering. In my case, I have automatic numbering. The not use my status will change. Also, my PO number will come, and then I have the PO 4997. I could re-download this PO just to see what is happening there. With this process of download, you can also create multiple POs if you want to download, and you just press download using the sheet data, and that will download not only the PO that you create or any other PO that you want. Also, use this as a kind of a quick reporting tool, or even to check up all PO or something like that. That is how you will create and look at the different information. The download will also download all the information for the lines and the different price breaks. Then this is a good alternative if you want to download an existing PO to create a new one. Thank you.